Hi everybody, this is Jill and welcome to 2020. I have been on my first shopping haul of the year. It's all healthy stuff. It's not a ton, but it's getting us off on the right foot. So come on down and I'll show you what we've got. I've got some extra firm tofu. I've got some recipes for that. Some red roasted peppers. And you'll note everything I've been trying to do more organic. This is sriracha. And the only thing in here that is organic is the chilies, and that's what I wanted because chili peppers are like the worst for contaminants. So we're going to give this a try and see how it is. I got a small loaf of French bread because I want to make some bread crumbs. I'm going to make some salmon cakes with that, and I got some cilantro and a couple of jalapeno peppers. We've been doing a lot of reading on jalapenos and all chilies in particular, and they are so good for like everything your body needs. So we're going to try eating more of those. I got a nice little avocado. Got some dinosaur kale. Got some regular curly kale. Just a nice spring mix of greens, baby greens. Got some blueberries, which they're ridiculously priced. I don't know why I do that in the middle of winter, but I do. Some sharp cheddar cheese. We're going to have some tostadas with the corn tortillas. Oh, and I got some bananas. And the other thing I wanted to show you, I just got this last week, but I love these so much I wanted to show them to you. It's very thick, but oh man, I mean, if you've got dry skin, which I do at this age, everything, all of my skin, you know, arms and legs, this is super good stuff. So I'm very happy I found this. And the other thing is Mrs. Meyer's. I've used cleaning supplies from Mrs. Meyer's, and for a while there I was able to find the hand lotion, and it disappeared and now it's back. So I'm very excited, and this is such a wonderful, well, it's a hand lotion, but I mean your elbows, and it's great stuff. So I highly recommend that as well. So that is, here it comes. That is my shopping haul, and now we get to put it all away and have some lunch. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Tell your friends. Look forward to more food hauls this year, and we will see you later.